Recent storms came through southeastern Wisconsin and took out power for thousands. And we knew we needed to help, but how?
This is the all-new 21 model year F-150 Power Boost Hybrid, Ford's first full hybrid truck.
And it also has an onboard generator. So we brought one to our friend Allie Faith from 103.7 KISS FM.
Hello, beautiful. Come to mama. I dream of the days I have social media content. This is it, baby.
Safe to say she was pretty excited.
Okay, this is like the best day ever because even though my power is still out, Soerens Ford brought this F-150 over. I didn't know they have generators inside of them. What? So we just plugged it in, extension cord into the house. Into the house we go. Look at this, you guys.
Challenge 1. Power the refrigerator.
It's on! I have a fridge again! It's on! My fridge is working! I opened it up and there's light and everything! It works! The freezer lights up! Oh my gosh, I can have ice again, not water! This is amazing. I can't believe this is being powered by a truck. This is awesome!
Challenge 2. Make coffee.
I haven't had a cup of coffee in days, and I now have power being generated by the F-150. But I've got coffee, and that's all that matters.
Challenge 3. Make a snack.
We have got popcorn popping. Any minute now, you're gonna hear pop, 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 pop.
22 units that hold together at 1200.
Don't mind me. I just made coffee and popcorn with my F-150 over here.